Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video on the Digital Anke YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can add a WhatsApp chat button to your WordPress website. For instance, you have a website and you want your visitors to contact you with WhatsApp chat. It's very simple. You can just add the WhatsApp chat button to your website. So at the end of this video, you will be able to add a WhatsApp chat button like this. And if anyone who is visiting your site can just click this button to message you with WhatsApp. Now when they click this chat, the chat window will be opened, and when they type the message and sends it, you will receive that message on your phone. If you want to respond to that message, just click that and enter your reply and send it. They will receive your response. So let's get started. First, we need to install a plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and add new and search for WhatsApp. And this is the plugin we are going to install now. So to install this plugin, click install now. Once it's installed, click activate. So we have successfully installed the plugin. Next step, connect your WhatsApp number to this plugin. So to connect your number, click on settings. Now here you need to enter your WhatsApp number where you will get the messages. So I'll enter my number. Once you have added your number, your visitor's message will be sent to this number. Now scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Once you click Save Changes, the WhatsApp chat button will be added to your website. Next step, allowing your visitors to contact you from their desktop or laptop. So to allow your visitors to contact you from their computer, go to WordPress and scroll down and enable this to allow your visitors to contact you from their computer. Once you have enabled, scroll down and click Save Changes. I'll open my website. And as you can see, we have the WhatsApp chat button here. If a visitor clicks here, they'll be taken to WhatsApp web login page. To contact you, they need to log into WhatsApp from their phone. First, they need to open WhatsApp and click settings, click WhatsApp web or desktop, click link a device. And they need to scan this QR code. The chat window for your number will be opened here. And your visitors can send you a message from here. Next step, let's test this feature on mobile phone. So I'll open my website and you can see we have got the WhatsApp chat button here. For instance, if the visitor wants to contact you, then they just have to click on this button and it will open your WhatsApp chat window. If the visitor types the message and sends it, you can see that we have received the message on your phone. To reply to that message, simply click and type the response and send it. They will receive the response in their phone. This is how you can add the WhatsApp chat. Now let's see the additional features, adding the message notification to your WhatsApp chat button. How you can add the notification like this. Once you have enabled this notification, if a visitor opens the chat, a predefined message will be displayed to them. Now to start the chat with you, they need to click here. By adding this type of message, you will be able to attract more customers to contact you. Now we will see how you can add this message to your WhatsApp chat. So to add the message, go to WordPress and scroll down. Here you need to add your welcome message. I'm gonna write mine. By default, this message will be displayed automatically. Now instead of this, if you want to display the notification icon first and then your visitors clicks it, you need to check this notification option here. Once you have enabled that, you need to enter when you want to display the notification. For instance, you want to display the notification after 2 seconds. Just enter 2 here. Once you have entered these details, click Save Changes. After clicking Save Changes, your message will be added to the WhatsApp chat. To test that, I'll open my website and refresh the page. Boom! As you can see, we have received a notification in WhatsApp. Now, if a visitor clicks here, this message will be shown to them. If the visitor wants to chat with you, they need to click here to start the chat. So this is how you can enable the message notification to your WhatsApp chat. That's it guys. If you like this video and want to see more, follow me on my social media channels. And please subscribe to see more interesting videos. Peace out.